Now let's cover browse abandonment. The trigger for your browse abandonment flow is viewed product. So go into Attentive, create the journey, and select the metric or trigger viewed product. Then establish your wait time. Typically what we want to do here is wait for longer than the abandoned cart wait time is for, because essentially there are three types of journeys that really closely integrate with one another. There's browse abandonment, there's add to cart abandonment, and there's checkout abandonment. So if we have our add to cart abandonment going out at an hour, we can't have the browse abandonment going out at 45 minutes. So what we need to do here is establish a waiting period that is actually longer than the added to cart. So if this particular subscriber views a product, we're going to wait 2 hours, and then we have a conditional branch that is checking to see if this subscriber has added to cart at least once since starting this journey. Because if they have, well then they're either in the add to cart journey, or they might even be in the checkout started journey, or they might even be in the post-purchase journey. So this is a very important branch to have to make sure that we're not sending this browse abandonment message to them. So right now we have this copy, and we're dropping in the product link, which is one of the variables that we can pull in here. Now we could also bring in the first name of the subscriber if we had that as well. So we can change bestie to first name. So maybe what we'd want to do here is set up an A/B test. So we'll say send that text message there. Otherwise, what we'll do instead is go ahead and send another text here, but we're going to change this to first name, and we're going to change this to browse abandonment message 1 first name, and we'll change this to browse abandonment message 1 no name, and see which one performs better. Now, go ahead and add test. Say we wanted to have another one. Well, in fact, you can't. So for browse abandonment, added to cart abandonment, and checkout started, you are only allowed to send one text message per carrier guidelines. So you're not even going to be able to send this via Attentive. So we'll delete that, and we will delete this. So it has to be to the point because you only get one message. But that is how you would set up a browse abandonment flow.